Model: 60-plate Ford Transit 350 long wheelbase, 2.4 TDCi rear-wheel drive MOT'D needs body, white, panel van mileage, 214216 MOT, the 19th of April 2024 engine, 2401 cc TDCi 100ps DURATORQ transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Slightly underpowered turbo actuator will need replacing. Engine, clutch and gearbox and turbo itself are fine, it's literally just the actuator, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, EU status, Euro 4 HPI, clear cap, retail, £2,650. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740119